Hello, welcome back to SolidWorks tutorials. Today we are going to design simple helical bevel gear in SolidWorks. Here you will learn about SolidWorks lofted boss, scale entities and rotation entities. Let's start the simple design. First of all, what you are going to do, let's see. See, this is the sketch part. Okay, I've already completed this drawing. Let's see how this create. First of all, you have to select the just show you okay, this is the this is our revolving part. First of all, you have to take the right plane. Okay, this is the right plane. Okay, first you have to take the line, center line from here to here. Okay, then you have to the line from the midpoint here. Then after that you have to select the line. Okay, starting from here to here, then here, 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 then here, here, and stop this. Then go to the arc, then from here click to start from here. Okay, done. Then start line from here to here, then here, 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 and then complete. Okay, now come to the dimension part. First of all, you take the dimension of this from here to here. This dimension is 45 mm. Okay, you have to take the dimension from smart dimension from here, 45 mm. This is 5 mm. This is the radius 11. Okay, radius 11 means diameter is 22. Okay, this is the 32.50 mm, radius 36, this radius. Okay, now come to this one. Okay, this is the our biggest length, 163 from here to here. Now यहाँ 112 from 102 from here to here, 80 from here to 32. Now come to the this, and after completing this line sketch, then come to the feature command and create revolve. Okay, this type of structure create here. After that, when this structure creates, then you go to the select the plane. Okay, plane from here. Now see, plane here at 45 mm side. You have to select the plane from here, reference geometry plane, then select another plane. Okay, you see, from here, from this distance to this distance 95 mm. Then come to the another, see how it creates. First of all, on first plane you have to draw the circle. Okay, you have to draw the circle from here, circle command. From here, the bigger circle from here to here, 170 diameter. Okay, and the lower circle is 100 mm diameter. Then click on the arc, then from here, okay, click arc. Okay, from this side arc is completed, and then create the dimension, give the dimension from this. This is 65 radius, 65 mm diameter, and 75 mm 65 mm diameter, sorry. And this create, and then create mirror this shape from this side. And then after that you go to the linear sketch pattern, circular sketch pattern, then give the parameters. Okay, parameters this one. Okay, then select how many numbers of patterns you need. In this we have give to 8 number of patterns. Okay, then select this type of design create. After that, go to the second sketch. This is the second sketch, same procedure. on the second plane, plane 2, this structure, plane first, this structure create. The same procedure, first go to the circle command, this is the bigger circle and this is the smaller circle, then give the radius and then radius of this circle, then mirror this shape from here to here, then click on linear sketch pattern and circular pattern, and number of tooth is 8. Okay, then exit sketch. Okay, then come to the sketch third, which is to be completed on a smaller sketch. This is completed on the plane 2. This is same procedure will take care. Okay, this is here, and same procedure, go to the circle inner. Actually this shape is smaller than the first one and the second one. Okay, then exit sketch. Then after that you go to the wait, actually yes, this shape is created. After creating this shape, you have to select this face and draw a circle from 72 mm diameter, create the line from here to here, line from here to here, with the length of 10 mm, and the length of this one is 5.3 mm. Okay, done. After that, when creating this shape, go to the extrude command, give this shape. Now create this shape on the whole this feature on this body. Okay, create circular pattern, click this feature. First of all, go to the linear circular pattern, this face parameter, this one parameter. Okay, and how many numbers of pattern you want to need, this one. Okay, and click OK. This, after that, now last command is cut extrude feature. First of all, create the circle on this face is about 35 mm diameter, then create the hole. How to create the hole in that circle, and extrude cut. Okay, extrude cut command, then direction 1 through all, then OK. Let's create. My this shape is create. This is the simple helical bevel gear. How to make simple helical bevel gear in SolidWorks. This is, if you want to change the appearance, metal, steel, polished steel. Okay, good. Then come to the render tools, then see how it's my integrated preview of that feature. Now see how it looks after render. Now take a view of that. It takes some time actually. Yes, actually, yeah, it's this types of looks. You see, this is cast polished steel appearance. You see how it looks. the features, this features. Okay, if you want to uh, see the motion study of this, motion study of that, if increase this to 2x. Okay, let's see how to give motion study of this feature. Yes, actually this feature. Yes, which axis you want to about the axis rotation, x axis, y axis. I want to rotate in y axis, number of rotation 1, clockwise. Next, duration 10 second, finish. Now play. See, see, actually I am rotating this feature in y axis, that's why rotating in y axis. Okay, thank you to all to watching this video. Now like and subscribe my channel and enjoy watching the video.